Hi, my name is Helena. Do you want to level up your life? In this video, we're going to talk about how to get to the finish line faster and with a lot fewer obstacles when you harness the power of right timing. Timing impacts outcomes. For real, timing is the hidden secret to the law of attraction. Want your best life? Up your timing game. I'm an internationally syndicated daily columnist, an astrology pioneer, inventor, and instructor, and I work as a consultant and performance timing coach for notables around the world. There are just some days that have really powerful energy, days that have tons of momentum and traction for making good things happen. These universal best win days have the very best odds of the best outcomes. Universal worst days are fail days. Almost anything anyone starts on one of these horrible days will ultimately fail to launch or completely blow up. These are days with the highest odds of failure and heartbreak. Knowing ahead of time which days are win days and which days are fail days lets you put the odds in your favor. And who doesn't want better odds? My proprietary best and worst days advanced calendars give you all the win days and all the fail days via instant download. These monthly calendars show the exact level of positive versus negative energy in each day. Universal calendars apply to everyone. And they apply to everything from big events, major purchases, interviews, or launches to romantic weekends, salon visits, car repair, or just calling for tech support. Things you do on better days just work out better. Problems are minimized and benefits are maximized. Better days are more stress-free travel days, too. Your timing really does affect your outcomes. Best and worst days advanced calendars let you pick your timing in advance. Get intentional and get results.